guys, it's Megan. So it looks like the bullet journaling trend is back. And even though I prefer planning on my phone, I've been super inspired to try bullet journaling lately. If you like bullet journaling and want me to make this into a series, make sure to let me know down in the comments. In today's video, I'll be showing you 10 super easy holiday-themed bullet journal doodles. But before we get started, I wanted to let you guys know that I just released new merch. From now until December 4th, you can use the code HOLIDAY20 for 20% off everything in my Teespring store. I'll have that and my Redbubble shop both linked down below. I've also been posting more on my website lately, which you can find at www.meganweller.org. If you want to skip to a specific drawing, I put timestamps underneath each one. Otherwise, grab a pen and let's get started. And if I go too fast at any point, you can just pause or rewind the video to get caught up. Our first drawing is this mug of hot chocolate, inspired by a DIY ornament that I made. Start by drawing a curved line like this. Above that, draw an oval shape, and draw a line down from each side of the oval, down to meet the curve. Repeat this a second time so that you make 2 marshmallows. Draw another curved line, starting from the left, going back behind the marshmallows, and back over to the right side. This will be the hot chocolate. Finally, draw another curve directly above that. Draw a straight line coming down from the left, and another straight line coming down from the right side of the first curved line that we drew. Connect these 2 lines at the bottom. For the handle, draw a small backward C shape. Then draw a larger backward C shape to complete it. Now you have a super basic mug of hot chocolate. You can decorate the mug however you'd like. You could add a kawaii face, a fun saying, or a snowflake like I did. I colored all of the drawings in this video with my Crayola Super Tip markers and added embellishments with a white gel pen. The next drawing is this holly leaf. These are perfect to add to the edges of your page to create a border. Start by drawing 3 circles that are super close together to be the berries. For the leaves, I made 5 small dots in a pentagram shape to use as a guide. I repeated this for the second leaf as well. Here's what you should have so far. To finish each leaf, connect the dots with curved lines. Draw another line in the center to complete each leaf. Here's what it should look like when you're done. These bows are one of my go-to doodles. They're super easy. First, draw an oval to create the center of the bow. Draw an elongated teardrop shape near the top on both sides of the oval. Draw a line that goes down from the edge of the teardrop and curves back up to meet the bottom of the oval. Repeat this on the other side as well. You could stop here, but if you want to add a tail to your bow, draw 2 elongated rectangle shapes coming from the bottom of the oval. Now moving on to the trees. You can choose to leave your tree plain, or you can decorate it. For the basic tree, start by drawing an upside-down U shape, and close off the bottom with a W shape. Draw a slanted line coming down on either side, and connect them with more U-shaped lines. Do this 2 more times, drawing a slanted line on each side and connecting them with little U-shapes. Draw a small rectangle at the bottom for the trunk, and your basic tree is done. If you want to take it a step further and decorate it, draw 5 dots at the top of the tree, connecting them to make a star. For the lights, draw a thin line with upside-down teardrop shapes on the bottom. Another easy drawing to try is a snow globe. First, draw about 3/4 of a circle, leaving an opening near the bottom. I used my circle stencil for this, but you can just eyeball it. Draw a line to connect the opening on the circle, and 2 shorter lines coming down from that one. Connect those together to create the base of your snow globe. You can add any scene that you want to your snow globe, but I decided to go with a simple snowman. Draw a small circle for the head, and a slightly larger circle underneath that for the body. Draw 2 dots for the eyes, a triangle for the nose, and even more dots for the mouth and buttons. For his hat, draw a straight line with a rectangle on top. Add a curved line at the base to look like fallen snow, and a few dots for snowflakes. To draw a wreath, use a pencil to create guidelines. Make a smaller circle, then a larger circle outside of that. If you want a bow on your wreath, use your pen or marker to draw one in the same way that I showed how to do before. For the actual wreath part, draw a bunch of those small U shapes around the outside of the circle. Then, just draw a normal circle on the inside. The next part is optional, but I drew a few small circles all over my wreath to decorate it. Angels always remind me of Christmas, and this one is super easy to draw. Start by drawing an upside-down V shape for the bangs. Draw a U shape underneath that to create the head. Draw 2 small U shapes for the eyes, and another one underneath that for the mouth. For the hair, draw a curve that goes up and around the head and connects back up around her cheeks. Then, draw a sideways oval shape on top for the halo. Draw an oval underneath her head to be the hands. Connect the bottom of both sides of the oval with the line that curves up toward the end of the hair. Draw 2 more curved lines at the top of the oval to define the arms. For the dress, draw a line coming down from the left elbow and another line that comes down from the right elbow. Connect these lines with a bunch of little U shapes. For the wings, start at about the middle of her hair and draw a line that slants upward. Curve it down, stopping just below the elbow. Bring the line back out and back in, making a C-shaped curve. Repeat this for the other wing, just in the opposite direction. I guess penguins might be more of a winter thing than a Christmas one, but it's close enough, so I thought I'd include this. Start by drawing a big upside-down U shape. Draw a curved line at the bottom to connect it. For the white space on the penguin, draw a curved M near the top. Then, draw a curved line that connects each end of the M to the bottom of the penguin. Draw 2 dots for the eyes and a triangle for the beak. Add an upside-down teardrop shape to each side to create wings, and 2 curved W shapes at the bottom for the feet. You can stop there, or you can color the body and the wings black. Gingerbread men are another holiday staple. Personally, I like how they look better than how they taste. If you made it this far, let me know what your favorite Christmas cookie is. For the head, draw about 3/4 of a circle, leaving the bottom edge open. Make a small dot on either side as a guide, and draw a curved shape to make each arm. Bring your line outward, curving it when you reach the dot. Bring it back up, stopping right around where you started. Repeat this on the other side, bringing your line out to the dot, curving it, and bringing it back up. Draw a slanted line coming down from each armpit, and an upside-down V in between these lines. Connect the openings with 2 U shapes to make the feet. From here, you can decorate your gingerbread man however you'd like. I drew 2 circles for the eyes, and a small U shape for the mouth. I gave him a bow tie by drawing a circle with a smaller triangle on each side, and added a few more circles for the buttons. For the icing, I drew 2 squiggly lines on each of the gingerbread man's limbs. The last drawing I did for this video was a polar bear. This one might look a little more complicated, but it's honestly really easy. Draw a curved line for the top of the head, and add an upside-down U shape on either end for the ears. Draw a line coming down from each ear, and connect them with a slightly curved line. Draw an oval for the nose, filling it in with black most of the way, but leaving a small space to be a highlight. Then, draw 2 small circles for the eyes. Give him a little smile, and add a curved line in each ear. For his scarf, draw a backwards 3 shape and a regular 3 shape underneath the curved line, connecting them at the bottom. For the end of the scarf, draw a long rectangle on the left side. For his body, draw a big curved line on the right, and a smaller curved line underneath the scarf. Make a little bump at the bottom of each line for the polar bear's feet, connecting them in the middle with 3/4 of a rectangle. For his front paws, draw 2 elongated U shapes. Add a few lines to define his toes, and your polar bear's done. This is probably my favorite drawing from this whole video. Let me know which one was your favorite down below. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this one. My merch, my website, and all of my social media will be linked down below. Don't forget about that coupon code. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!